And welcome to another session of Sunday Setups. I'm your host, Jacob, and today I'm accompanied by half of the team. It's just me and Pastor Pips. Josh, how you doing on this day, bro?
Energy's high, the vibes is lit side. Let's get it.
It's lit sad, bro. Yeah, for real, man. I hope everyone has enjoyed the weekend. We're just going to bring you a forecast on things that we are looking at for the week ahead. Very exciting. Into the new month, second week of February. But before we do get started, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lit Capital, so we can keep bringing you content, and you can also be notified and when, excuse me, we will be releasing these videos. So before anything, going to go to the economic calendar for the week ahead, see if there's any fundamentals that may play a part in any of our trades. And it doesn't really heat up till midweek. So starting with Monday, we do have the unemployment coming out of the Swiss franc, which, it's not, as you can see, it's not really high impact because they tend to have a sturdy economy in regards to it's not like America or anywhere like that in regards to people struggling for work. So we'll see. Obviously, we'll see how it pans out starting the week, because it is pre-London session as well, so it could do something, but nothing major coming into Monday. And then Tuesday, again, we've got some job openings up in the US, but nothing really, coming off the back of NFP last week. That was the main unemployment data. So then we head into Wednesday, where we have the interest rate decision coming from New Zealand. So we will be on alert for that, leading into London session on Wednesday, because it's in the middle of the night for us. There's also a press conference following that. So keen to see how NZD reacts from that, because, we have been catching some great trades in our Discord and whatnot, giving out on Europe.
Beautiful trades. Beautiful
Real,
trade.
yeah, real lit. So it's been very key in regards to, some of the swing trades that we've caught going into the new year and starting our trading year off correctly. EURNZD has played a pivotal role in that. So yeah, looking forward to that. That's exciting. We got some CPI for the US as well. We also have some oil stocks. We'll see what happens with that, because oil has been very bullish. We haven't really had any retracement, but yeah, we'll see if we can get something going on with that. And then heading into Thursday again, nothing really, mad appealing to our eye. We've got some initial jobless claims, but again, it's nothing major. We got some GDP, excuse me, for the UK. So finishing off the trading week with that could definitely boost the pound in some way possible. So there's a few things to look out for, but fundamentally, it's not really heating up until midweek. So yeah, we'll see how it pans out. So I'm going to take you guys over to the charts. And the first pair I'm going to look for is US30. So with this pair, it's been very bullish. We was expecting a deeper retracement on this, but it didn't give us that. And it's kind of heading towards making a new all-time high. So whether we can wipe out the existing high here, or maybe get a retracement before doing so, we are very bullish on this. And the weekly candle is good indication of, it is looking very bullish. So with the daily, we do have an imbalance here. So we could potentially see a retracement of some sort. I am aware of this candle here, which kind of gave us the push up as well. So I'm hoping to see if we could get either a retracement to this level here, or a daily imbalance fill, which kind of lines up with this breaker on the 4-hour that we had. So whether or not it wants to react off of either area, obviously this will be the first one. We do have some imbalance here on the 4-hour as well, just below the 31,000 level, which we can get to. So that will be the first area of interest in order to go higher. But if it wants to come lower and fill in that daily imbalance, it could be entitled to do that as well. So there are some setups for this. We just got to wait for it to pan out and come down, because we don't really want to be buying at the highs like it is. If it opens up higher and it continues, so be it. We'll definitely be waiting for the areas that we have marked up. So again, this will be thrown in our Discord. If you're not in our Discord, please head over to litcapital.co.uk and head to our packages section in order to purchase community access. There's a lot of value given in there. All of these setups, they will be thrown in. So for everyone capitalizing in there, great job. Last pair I got for you guys is gold. So we've been very bearish on gold as a whole. Going off of last week, we were expecting lower movement. So we actually had a daily imbalance here, and we had this last down candle here. So we've had a great push up from it, from that zone as expected. So what I am expecting now is to see a retracement back higher up, as we do have some equal highs as a target there, and we have a massive daily imbalance here as well. So this is looking great in regards to this area being reactive for what we thought would be a buyer from here. So what we've been seeing in terms of bullish momentum, it's looking great to head to the upside, to be honest. So depending on how the market opens, if we can get a slight pullback in order to get another entry, that would be great. But you know what it is with gold. Sometimes it can gap up and do its own thing. But we'll definitely be heading into London session tomorrow with the expectation that we can get another entry on it, because again, going into Friday with the NFP, we kind of just pushed up. We had a bit of a push down, but we've kind of pushed up since. So I'm hoping for potentially a higher low to be made on this time frame here, to then continue higher and fill those that daily imbalance and stuff like that. So definitely looking forward to the week ahead with gold. I do think we can get some temporary bullish momentum, which is, it's not really a small move. Like with what we're kind of calculating it heading towards, it's 800 pips and up. So definitely worth looking into if you are a gold trader, for sure. This will be thrown in the Discord as well. So if you're not in there, you are missing out. Get over to our website now. Access is never going to be cheaper to a community. And yeah, with that note, I'm going to hand it over to Josh. Take it away, bro.
Thank you, my bro. Okay, cool. So let's take you guys over to the chart. So the first pair that I have for you guys is on EURNZD. Okay, starting off with a weekly, of course, it is a new week. EURNZD has a lot of potential to the downside. We've got a lot of liquidity sitting beneath these lows, and I do believe that price is heading towards that area. Now, if we have a look at the picture on the daily, we were able to catch some sells, some shorts coming down here, and also another one coming all the way down to this low. Now, these moves were very, very prolific, sent out within our Discord community. So if you'd like to have access, make sure to head over to litcapital.co.uk. Now, having a closer look at things, when I head down the lower time frames, heading down to the 4 hour, of course, we do need a retracement in terms of the daily picture. Okay, we do need a retracement. I would prefer for price to retrace deeper before we go again, but we may not get that. Now, looking close at the picture, if I do go down to the 1 hour, I did spot price may react out the wick of this candle, and which it did. It did push down around 70 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, around 70 pips. So I wouldn't be surprised if price does push up higher. I do have this 1 hour candle here where I believe price may mitigate out of, feel a little bit more of the imbalance that's sitting up here. But, guys, definitely do look for shorts rather than trying to buy this pair up. It is definitely better to go with the trend rather than going against the trend. Now, my next pair for you guys is on AJ. Now, if you do go back in terms of our market outlooks, I believe 3 weeks ago, I went over AJ potentially reacting out of this candle here, and it has been a very, very great move. This pair has finally hit, my TP2 in terms of 165 pips. It's cleared this high here. So just looking really for this pair to continue on higher. Now, if we have a look at the weekly, we do have some more highs to take out. We do have some imbalance to play out of. So, the potential to the upside is quite great. However, do pay attention that, in terms of a retracement, we haven't had one yet. So, price may choose to retrace at any given moment. I'm looking a little bit closer at this weekly area around 8,200. Yeah, the 82 level, we may get prices retracing from there. But of course, just make sure you're remaining vigilant and paying attention in our charts channel in the Discord. Now, my next pair for you guys is going to be on pound AUD. Now, pound AUD has been very interesting in the fact that, we did get shorts coming out of this 4 hour area. Okay, we did get some nice shorts playing out this 4 hour area. Now, when last week price shot down and came down to this level here, I really did believe that price would give us a retracement to then come down lower. However, this is why it's important to keep up to date with the fundamentals, because we did see pound rally up. I believe it was for the interest rate, if I'm not, correct me if I'm wrong, Jay. It was
No,
because
it
of the
was,
interest
bro.
rate.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was definitely because of the interest rate. So of course we have this last 4 hour down candle before we got this explosive move to the upside, which created a high in terms of the 4 hour picture. In terms of the daily, I do believe that price, yes, I hope we would prefer for it to come down lower. But price doesn't have to fill the imbalance, and that's a-okay. So I would be expecting some sort of reaction out of this area, either to the upside to create a higher high, or price may just stall within this sell area here. But pound is just looking really, really strong right now, and I don't really have confidence in saying that the move to the upside won't just continue. Yeah. So with that being said, that is it from the both of us here at the Capital. Guys, make sure to also check out the website, have a look at what people are saying, have a look at our Trust Pilot reviews. There's a lot of stuff available here for you. And unfortunately, what I now must say is, 79% of you guys that are watching this video currently, watching all of our videos over on the YouTube channel, are currently unsubscribed. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay. All it does do is definitely gives us a hand in terms of the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, the vibes is lit side. And remember, every
Every day
day
is
is
money day.
peace.
Peace.